Want to know how to bet on football and increase your chances of winning on 1xBet? Here's a simple but effective strategy. Before we continue, make sure to create a professional 1xBet account by clicking on Register. You can choose any registration method that suits you, for example, the email registration option. Simply fill in your personal details, and in the promo code section, enter BUTV. Using this code will give you a 300% bonus on your first deposit. For instance, if you deposit $1,000, you'll receive a total of $4,000 in your 1xBet account. Now, let's get back to the video. First, never bet blindly. Start by researching team form, player injuries, head-to-head records, and recent performances. For example, a team on a 5-game winning streak with their star striker fit is a stronger bet than one struggling with injuries. Next, focus on low-risk betting markets like over-under goals, double chance, or both teams to score instead of chasing risky correct scores. These markets give you a higher probability of winning. A smart tip is to use live betting. Watch the game for the first 15 minutes, analyze the tempo, and then place your bet. This gives you a better idea of how the match is unfolding. Another trick is bankroll management. Never put all your money on one match. Spread your bets across a few well-researched games and stake only a small percentage of your balance each time. Finally, keep emotions out of betting. Don't just back your favorite team. Bet with logic, not passion. Remember, no strategy guarantees 100% wins, but by following these steps on 1xBet, you'll maximize your chances and build consistent profits over time.